Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. The first step you have to take is to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. The next is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three lines icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. Scroll gently. Click on profile views. Profile view history. See viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off at any time. So if you don't have this option on your TikTok app, there are a few steps you have to take, which are: go back to your settings and privacy, scroll gently, click on report a problem. So right here, click on account and profile, click on profile page, scroll gently, click on how to turn profile view history. So this is the page on few steps you have to take. So you just scroll, read the steps, but if your problem is not yet solved, all you have to do is to click on the no option. Click on need more help. So right here on this new screen, all you have to do is to type in I can't find my profile view option. And send it to TikTok. So TikTok will give you reply within 24 hours on how to resolve this problem. So guys, that is it on how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.